morning, dear students. Today we are starting our lesson number 3 of democratic politics, that is lesson number electoral politics. Now in this lesson we will see the various ways in which elections are to be done. हम देखेंगे इसमें कि कैसे elections होते हैं, what are elections, how these are conducted, and we will also see what are the requirements of elections, what are the conditions of proper election, what is the role of election commission, okay, functions of election commission we will see, what are the various challenges towards elections, and we will also see what is the need of elections. So all these things we will see. So we are starting this topic with a case study type of story, and then we will see what are elections and what is the need of elections, all these things, and what are the various conditions of elections. All these things we will see afterwards. So there is a case study of Haryana state, and in Haryana there are assembly elections in Haryana in 1987. हरियाणा में असेंबली इलेक्शंस होते हैं 1987 में, एंड अप टू और वी कैन से बिफोर 1987 हरियाणा वाज रूल्ड बाय द कांग्रेस पार्टी. कांग्रेस पार्टी रूल कर रही होती है 1987 से पहले हरियाणा में. एंड अब क्या होता है, एक अपोजिशन पार्टी के लीडर, अब तक क्या थी, कांग्रेस पार्टी रूल कर रही है. नाउ अपोजिशन लीडर जो होते हैं, किसी दूसरी पार्टी के लीडर चौधरी देवीलाल जी, ये क्या करते हैं, ये एक मूवमेंट ऑर्गेनाइज कर देते हैं, और ये कुछ इनके पार्टनर्स होते हैं इनके साथ में, और इनके जो मूवमेंट होता है उनका नाम होता है न्याय युद्ध, और वी कैन से वॉर फॉर जस्टिस. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट, एंड दे यूज्ड टू लॉन्च अ मूवमेंट, एंड चौधरी देवीलाल जी formed a party also that was known as Lok Dal. So these things are clear to you. This is an incident of assembly elections in Haryana which took place in 1987, and before 1987 when these elections took place, before that time period Congress was ruling party in Haryana, and Chaudhry Devilal, who was belonging to an opposition party, he was an opposition leader. He leads a movement known as Nyay Youth, and he used to form a party known as Lok Dal. So now we will see what happens after this. So this Chaudhry Devilal ji makes announcement during the elections that if people will give them vote, or we can say if Lok Dal party will win the elections, what they will do, they will waive off the loans of farmers and small businessmen. तो इन्होंने ये अनाउंसमेंट कर दिया कि अगर उनकी पार्टी जीतती है चौधरी देवीलाल जी की, दैट इज लोक दल, तो वो सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, वो सभी का जो लोन है फार्मर्स का, बिजनेसमैन का, स्मॉल बिजनेसमैन का, वो लोन माफ कर देंगे. अब जो लोग थे, जो करंट गवर्नमेंट थी दैट वाज कांग्रेस, उससे परेशान थे, तो उन्होंने बड़ी खुशी खुशी क्या कर दिया, फेवर कर दिया किसको, लोक दल पार्टी को. और हुआ भी क्या, जो होना था, लोक दल पार्टी एंड इट्स पार्टनर्स वोन 76 सीट्स आउट ऑफ द 90 सीट्स, और जिसमें 60 जो सीट्स होती हैं 76 में, वो किसके थ्रू जीती जाती है, लोक दल पार्टी की खुद की सीट्स होती है वो. और बेचारा जो कांग्रेस पार्टी है, कांग्रेस पार्टी वोन्स ओनली 5 सीट्स. तो गवर्नमेंट बन जाती है किसकी, चौधरी देवीलाल जी की. ही वॉज चूजन एज चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ हरियाणा, एंड गवर्नर brings him and introduce him. Okay, these things we have seen. But again, after his tenure, again which party came in Haryana, Congress party again comes in Haryana. So with this complete case study, we studied that how elections are conducted, and after winning the elections how people are set up at their places in order to help in the working of the government. Now we will see what are elections. So elections are the mechanism by which the people used to choose their representatives at regular intervals, and people can change also them if they wish to do so. And this complete mechanism is known as elections. फिर से मैं बोल रही हूँ आपको, इलेक्शंस क्या होते हैं? Elections is a election consider करते हैं. Election is a system or a mechanism by which people choose their representatives who will work for them. Okay, and these people, these representatives can be changed whenever there will be such kind of requirements. So this complete procedure is known as election. Now we will talk about the need of elections. What is the need of elections? Like we all know, in democratic countries, the government is formed by the people. Okay, people are the main, we can say, role. People play main role in democratic countries. Okay, so if elections will not take place, how the people will elect their leaders and the other parties, and who will work in the country for the entire public? So very most thing is, elections are necessary for choosing the right representatives so that these people can work for the general public, for their welfare and for their betterment. Now next thing is that it is through elections only, because अगर democratic government तभी हो सकती है completely democratic, तो उसमें elections होंगे, क्योंकि elections नहीं होंगे तो that is not a complete democratic country. This was the first and very most important characteristic or feature of democratic country. Next thing is that we will see why elections are needed or what is the requirement of elections. The first thing is that by election only the public knows that who will make laws in the country. कौन जो होंगे वो laws बनाएगा country में, वो कैसे पता चलेगा? तब elections होंगे, जब representatives representatives choose किए जाएंगे, then only we will came to know that who will make laws in the country, and we can know who will form government and take major decisions in the government. इलेक्शंस अगर नहीं होंगे तो हमें पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि कौन जो है वो किन लोगों की जो सरकार बन रही है, ठीक है, किस पार्टी की गवर्नमेंट बन रही है, एंड विच पार्टी इज टेकिंग मेजर डिसीजंस. ओके, दीज थिंग्स आल्सो वी विल नो ओनली थ्रू द सिस्टम ऑफ इलेक्शंस. नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दैट बाय इलेक्शंस ओनली we will know which party will guide the government and help in the law making procedure. हमें इलेक्शंस की हेल्प से ही पता चलेगा कि कौन सी पार्टी जो है गवर्नमेंट में आकर गवर्नमेंट की हेल्प कर रही है, कौन सी पार्टी उनको राइट डिसीजंस दे रही है. सो दीज थिंग्स कैन बी जज ओनली आफ्टर द सिस्टम ऑफ इलेक्शन. दैट्स व्हाई इलेक्शंस आर वेरी 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 एसेंशियल इन आवर time, especially in the representative democracy. And if representative system will not be there, that in that case there is no complete democracy in the country. So now we will see what are the minimum conditions for a democratic elections, or we can say what are the various conditions required in a country for the elections. There are some criterions or some conditions are fixed for the elections. These things we will see in our topic.